Hello and welcome to English at University, the series that teaches some English phrases to help you through your first year of study abroad. Mary's a new student who's just arrived at the University of Studies. Now, after settling in, her studying can finally begin. Mary, it's time for your first lecture, but you look like a bundle of nerves.
Well, I am a bit nervous. I couldn't sleep last night.
Don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone's in the same position. Everything will be fine. Good luck.
Okay, well, it's time to go in.
Ah, Mary, we meet again. How's your head today?
Better, thanks. I see you managed to clean your shoes?
Yes, I did. They still smell a bit, but I'll survive. Shall we get down to business? Business studies. Now that most of us are here.
Yes, of course.
Sorry I'm late. I went to the wrong room.
The first rule of business is punctuality. As T.C. Halliburton once said, punctuality is the soul of business. Now, what is business and why do we study it? Business is an economic system. A company transacts business activities...
Daniel, what's he talking about?
Haven't a clue. Have you got a spare pen, by the way? Look, you're going to have to ask him to explain.
Me?
What was that, Mary?
Oh, nothing. Sorry.
I think Daniel's a nervous wreck. He's not going to help you, so I will. If something doesn't make sense, put your hand up and say, "Excuse me, could you say that again, please?" Or, "I don't understand. Can you explain that again, please?" Or maybe, "Could you explain that in a different way, please?"
Okay.
Yes, Mary, what is it?
Professor Knott, it's all very interesting, but could you say that again, please? Sorry, I don't understand what you mean.
Oh,
I'd appreciate it if you could explain it in a different way. Please?
I think what Professor Knott means is you have to have a soul to be in business.
no. Daniel, isn't it? What I mean is business is a way...
Daniel's got a nerve, pretending he knows it all. Perhaps it's just nervous energy that makes him such an idiot. Anyway, well done, Mary. You spoke up and asked for clarification. It's a good idea to ask if you don't understand something. Don't pretend you know something when you don't, like Daniel did. Here's a reminder of the questions Mary asked. Could you say that again, please? Sorry, I don't understand what you mean. Could you explain that in a different way, please? You can practice these phrases, pick up a few more, plus learn some top tips for studying in the UK on our website at bbclearningenglish.com. Now the lecture is over, I wonder if things are a bit clearer for Mary.
Thanks, Professor. Everything's much clearer now.
Well, I recommend you get my book from the library, Mind Your Own Business. Oh, and Mary, I hold a seminar every Monday at the local pub, should you wish to join us sometime.
Yes, Professor. Thanks. I will.
You can call me Robert.
OK, Robert, it's a date.
Oh, it's you. Well, don't forget to bring your notes.
Oh no, my notes. I left them in the classroom.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.